Right, back to our routine for this week. Ito, pawis tayo, papawis. Yeah. Walking, jogging here. Tango ano. So let's go. Yeah. About 30 minutes pa lang tayo. 2 kilometers pa lang tinatakbo natin. Right. Okay. Almost 2 hours na tayo. Run! Come on, Labs. Ang ano area going down. And then merong this staycation resort here. Ayan. Anong name niya? Staycation resort. Miracle Villa. Alright, see this Miracle Villa here. 3 container van. Yeah. 3 container van na pinag tabi-tabi. See? From there sa right, sa gitna, tapos sa gilid. Tapos may swimming pool dyan. Diba? Overlooking sa gabi. Swimming pool sa harap. Let's go. Alright. Done for our exercise for today. Stretching tayo. Next week again.